With the recent release of Arma's fire team vehicle, we thought it would be so appropriate to get out the Aerotrooper RC airboat, or like a swamp boat, some people would call this. This thing is brushless, it's loud, and it's powerful. And we thought it would be a blast to drive it on some snow. Look at this fresh powder behind us. Now, the regular viewer to the channel will know that this is actually a lake where we fly some of our RC planes with water pontoons or floats. And I want to go on record by saying, no matter what, guys, no matter where you are, no matter how confident you are, never go out on ice for any reason. If we lose our boat while we're out doing this, we are not walking out on ice. Bye-bye boat. That's right. Having said that, we're willing to take the risk and have some fun. I've never driven an airboat on a frozen lake before. This should be a blast.
Goes.
There it
goes. Oh, you're out there already.
I just don't want to stop.
Oh my gosh.
It's hard to turn.
Oh my gosh,
it's doing it. Okay, I'm speeding up on the juice. This is so crazy. Oh no. No. Okay, we're okay. I cut out for a second. Oh my goodness.
Oh, can you like ramp it?
We're coming back. We didn't lose it. Okay, we know we can do it. So I'm gonna try to do it again just a little bit more. Fingers crossed. If it goes out on this lake, look how thick the ice is. We will bring an RC truck and drive it out there if it gets lost. Ready?
Yeah.
There we go. Oh no, I slowed down a little too much. But it's powerful enough to keep it going. Go, 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 airboat. And once we pick up speed, it really gets going. Look at that. The loudest thing this lake has ever seen, I'm sure. Here we go, here. Oh, that's the first time it's ever ramped.
That's not gonna float anymore, is it? Oh,
that was scary. I know the dock is. We're good. Who remembers the Cajun Commander?
I
do. Oh, this has to have power if you want it to turn. I forgot. Just playing with the throttle a little bit. Yeah, nice. Little reverse action there. Wanted to see if it could drive in the grass too, and it's doing just fine. Nothing is slowing this down, guys. This is awesome. I don't want to, can I ramp it on one of these? Oh, I think we can ramp it.
Yeah, why do you aim it straight at me?
I didn't. Let's go. I'm gonna ramp it, okay? Get ready, get ready. I'm gonna ramp it. We're gonna jump the airboat. Here goes. Ah! Oh my gosh. I'm so glad it has that roll cage. Let's try that again a little smoother.
Oh my gosh, this is never ever gonna be floating in water again.
That was fun. Can it be done smoother? Let's see.
Oh, you just broke it.
Well, I didn't break it, it just fell out. Thank goodness.
Can I try?
Yes. Go! Abby's at the controls now. We do not recommend doing this. We should make a smoother ramp. Nice. Oh, Abby, I've got to put your vertical stabilizers back on. Is everybody wearing their ear protection during this? This is so loud, but so fun too. Look at it go. Nice. See if you can do a power slide. No, no, we didn't see that. We'll pick that up later.
Oh, dang!
And under the car. Okay, you ready? Go, go. There she goes, out on the lake. Bundled up Abby. You could go farther out. Ah, go, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Get out on the lake, get out on the lake. Go, go, go. Nice. Don't get stuck right there. Ah. Abby, no. Okay, you're stuck, you're stuck. Hold the camera, hold the camera.
Be careful.
There's water. It is water right there. Like.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, oh. Okay. Okay, there you go. That's maybe to the extreme of what you should do with one of these. Do not ramp them off of concrete curbs in the winter. I am sure that there's got to be at least a small crack on the hull after doing that. So this may not ever float again.
It's a pool boat now.
It'll be a pool boat or a winter lake boat from now on. That was a blast, and just, it's made for water, but that was super fun. If you're interested, it's linked in the description box below. This thing's an absolute blast. This was a great day of having fun with RC, me and Abby, and I thank the big guy upstairs for that. Also, a massive thanks to our Patreon supporters, because we could not do what we do without your support. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts, guys. We'll have another awesome RC swamp boat video popping up right about now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you there.
Bye.